Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com, and welcome back. And for the podcast, and for the YouTube channel, and for other social media, welcome to the SSN Nation. And today we have to talk about ways of making money in the future. One of those ways is going to be Airbnb, but you guys know about the rentals for homes and real estate. But what about experiences? Things that you like to do and still get paid for it by inviting other people along. We're going to delve into that a little bit today. And the most important part, things that you already do and you enjoy doing that you can monetize. And welcome. Stop Struggling Now gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. And as you can see, we're on the Stop Struggling Now YouTube channel page. And if you haven't gotten to the page and you're listening on a different medium, please share our podcast, share the videos, share the links to the videos. This can help who knows who many amount of people, maybe one, maybe five, maybe 100, maybe 1,000. But this information can help a whole lot of people. So today, I have to point out, like always, the join button over here on the right-hand side. That's how you become a member of the channel. If you're on our live streams, those are the people with the icon next to their name. And under the community tab, they receive special messages specifically for them as a member of the channel. And they can join me on live streams. And on Wednesday Night Lives, they are the only ones that can be in the chat room, but every other live stream, everybody can be in the chat room. So, without further ado, let's talk about Airbnb Experiences. And I'm going to give you some examples because the link is down below in the description to go become a host or join to become a host for Experiences. Either way, the link is down below. And of course, it's an affiliate link or a referral link, just in case you ever decide to do something with Airbnb. That's part of making additional streams of income. Now, notice, I am at the Los Angeles experience. I want to start out with some things that I talked about on the live stream because these are the first people that come up. So this guy right here, he charges people for the Hollywood sound. So in movies, you hear sounds such as like when a gun gets ready to be shot, such as he has a sword here and a person pulls out their sword and you'll hear a sound. Well, they make those sounds. This is what he does. But in his spare time, because he loves this so much, he actually shows other people how to do it, then puts in a Hollywood experience, and he charges people for this. So we'll see if this comes up pretty quickly, but if it doesn't, then we'll move on. But the point I'm trying to make here is very, very simple. You can monetize whatever you love to do now because you can get experiences with other people. These people come from out of town or maybe even are in town, and they want to find out what they can do. And he says, here's 2 hours. You come to his little private playground, apparently. He has all these different gadgets. He charges $120 per person and groups $600. He does a little filming, have a little fun. This is over the top, a great experience in my opinion, but from 120. So apparently his prices could rise. But nonetheless, he's showing people that he's shown people for free for years. Now he can monetize himself. Just giving you an idea of what we're talking about. Here goes another person who is doing Instagrammable Los Angeles photo tours. Look at the number. 631 people have actually left reviews. That means more than 631 people actually used her service or went and had this fun here as an experience. They are going to all the signs, the Beverly Hills sign. This is the palm tree street that you see in music videos, that you see in movies, in commercials. This is the street where the woman is in the middle. You see all the different type of places that they're taking people. The Hollywood sign could be another one. And look at this, $60. $90 a person to take people to these locations. And again, from $90, which means it could be more than that, and charge for the children as well. So this gives you an idea on everything that you can do. And in fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down so you can see other things that people are doing as well. Just so a guy he flies planes. He's got, okay, $139 will fly over LA. Great. Now that gets you your pictures or whatever you want to get. Another person, LA Safari City, mountains and coast, driving people around. You're driving around, why not? Put it up as an experience. Look at this, 92 people for this, 297 reviews. These are reviews. This doesn't necessarily mean that that's the total number of people, because everybody doesn't leave a review, right? So that's the thing. They did more than 297, more than 92, more than the Hollywood Sign Hiking Comedy Tour, 2,700 people. And he's charging from $16 per person. You can go to the Hollywood Hike Sign yourself. But a group of people said, well, we want to go as a group. Why not? That's how people are. So Hollywood Sign Tour, another one. 5,600 people left reviews, which means they did well more than 5,600. $20 a person. Learn to surf, get free photos, $48 a person. The person's out there already surfing. So what if they take an extra 2 hours? Extra hour. They're getting paid for something they love to do anyhow. And they don't mind showing other people. You can teach people how to do it and make money, and you have an experience, and you set up the schedule yourself when you're going to go out there. This is what I'm talking about. This is LA. No matter what city you are in, you can take these type of advantages. Here goes a wine cruise, Newport Beach, $44. Okay, you have a boat? Well, you can say, I want to allow wine cruises. You're the captain of your ship. Go out on this nice little, this doesn't even look no more than like a 30 or 40 footer at best, not even that big. This looks less than a 30 footer. So again, over 280 people have done this, and he's from $44 a person. Most people aren't going by themselves. They're going to bring more than one person. And then who knows, people see this on this Airbnb, and then now instead of only having 2 people, you have 4 people going on the same trip. Mimosas on the Bay, they're charging more. They're in Long Beach. $67 a person on a little like 25-foot boat. But again, we had a member of the channel said that their ex goes fishing every week by himself. He could have actually been on the experiences. Even though he's going every week, he can schedule it every week when he goes. And sure enough, somebody will probably book the experiences, and he could be making extra money for something he's already doing, and pay for the gas, pay for all the expenses, and get some profit as well, just by having people come along that you're going to show and do and have fun with. Is that awesome or what? Now, this is just the most popular, because again, here's the hike run. Like again, you might like bicycling. Here goes horseback riding. Maybe you're in horseback riding. All these little things that you love to do, you can do. Look at this on the right-hand side in Newport. The boat people, Cruise Harbor Cruise. They're just cruising in the harbor on a little boat, getting people $99 a person. Is this incredible? You can do this. Anybody can do this. And all you have to do is sign up with Airbnb, offer the experiences, and off you go. And I'm just scrolling through here because this is LA. They have a lot of things going on in Southern California because the weather's warm. Hollywood's there, plus all the other landmarks that people are familiar with. Hollywood Experience on Sunset. Look at this. Hit the town with a Hollywood actress. Okay, I don't know what that really means because there's a bunch of Hollywood actresses. It just depends on if you're on the A, B, C, D list. So there's a whole bunch of actresses that's been in movies and TV that people don't know about, right? So that's going to be very interesting. Here's gelato making, of all things. People are actually going there. There's 129 reviews. Somebody's saying, let's go e-bike in Beverly Hills and West Hollywood. E-bike, ladies and gentlemen, they're charging $70 a person. The person probably e-bikes every other day or every 5 days, and now he's getting paid. So this is passive income potentially because you don't have to go searching for the business. Food, arts, culture, downtown LA, $35 a person. Almost like a tour guide getting paid. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I already probably made this a little bit too long, but I wanted you to understand there's opportunities now that didn't exist 5 years ago for you to monetize yourself because a lot of people have the one problem. They say to themselves, I don't have skills. I don't really have any real skill or anything that I can do to monetize. I don't know how to make websites. I don't know how to program. I don't know how to start a business. I don't feel comfortable with starting a business. Well, here's something that you can start for no money out of your pocket because if you're already doing something, and the beauty of it is in your city, state, or wherever you're located, you might have a location that people like to hike up to or walk up to, and you can charge people to do this when they come into town as a group. Awesome times we live in, ladies and gentlemen. And with all that said, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here, but we're trying to alleviate that in the No Guru Zone. We're trying to give you some ideas that you can start without any money out of pocket. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.